How to install 1-inch spacers on your Jeep Grand Cherokee. Installing 1-inch spacers is a simple process, almost as easy as rotating your tires. All you need are a few basic tools and a way to fit your Jeep Grand Cherokee. In this video, we will show you step by step how to fit 1-inch spacers on your Jeep Grand Cherokee correctly and safely. Before we begin, make sure you have the following tools and materials: a jack and jack stand, a wheel lug wrench and torque wrench, a rear brush or stamp paper, a set of half-century 1-inch spacers that match your Jeep Grand Cherokee bolt pattern, hub bolt, and desirable thickness. Use a cross wrench to loosen the lug nut on the side of the wheel in a diagonal sequence, but do not remove them completely. Using jacks to support each end of the car is a better safety measure. Use a cross wrench to remove the wheel side lug nut. Remove the wheel of the hub. Look at the wheel hub assembly footrest. You can use a brake cleaner to remove them. Remove any rust and dirt from the wheel hub with a rag. Widen the entire surface to ensure it is smooth, because all of that surface may cause the wheel spacer to not fit perfectly with the hub. Install the balance board equity cooling 1-inch spacers. Then install the metal lug nut. Tighten them with a torque wrench. A key advantage of Bonus Jeep Grand Cherokee 1-inch spacers is the active cooling feature. These 1-inch spacers are designed with petal-shaped grooves. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer while it rotates. The air takes away the heat, actively dissipating heat for the braking system. All Bonus 1-inch spacers are bought. In addition, high-precision 1-inch spacers provide high surface integrity, effectively guarantee safety, stability, and reliability, and ensure a smooth installing experience. Install the ring and then install the stock nut. Use a torque wrench to tighten them on the wheel. Make sure they are secure. Remove the jack stands. Slowly lower the car until the tires fully touch the ground, and remove the jack. Use a torque wrench to tighten the lug nut to a specific torque. Always tighten that in a diagonal sequence. This will ensure that the lug nut will lock. The same operation is done for remaining wheels. Bonus recommends checking the use of wheel spacers every 6 months and checking the vehicle operation to ensure safe driving. Hope this video can help you. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a good day.